I'll be honest. I didn't see this coming. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech Vibe. We're going to be talking about some virtual reality news today. More specifically, news with the Oculus Quest 2. Now, I know Facebook has got to be fairly upset right now. Let's look at why. I've been enjoying my Oculus Quest so much since I got it. And I am so glad that Facebook made such a powerful standalone headset. I've enjoyed it so much, I decided that I wasn't going to get the Reverb G2. Because to me, a tether would never give me the same freedoms and immersion that PC VR wireless could. However, not everything was completely smooth for me when setting up my Oculus Quest 2 for the first time. I've been using Oculus since they came out with the original Rift, and I've loved every bit of it. So it's fairly easy for me to just ignore some of the red flags that were waving when I was setting up my Quest 2. So what's going on here is Facebook is practically holding your headsets that we purchase hostage and forcing us into a position where we have to integrate with the social media. But it's probably not for any personal data gathering. Now, because I've been fanboying on these headsets so hard, I'm fairly torn about how I feel about these things. Now, on one hand, I do recognize that Oculus did sell us these headsets at a substantial loss, which in turn would boost the adoption rate for VR. Which basically means that more people would have them, which also means that more developers would come to the platform, which also means that more companies would come to the industry, which in turn means that the technology would grow even faster in the space because there's more companies in it and researching it. But I know that Oculus didn't just do it for that. No, I think they also did it so they could use the cameras on our headset in order to get a better view of our homes in order to effectively market to us on our social media platforms so that they could sell our data at an even more of a premium. Also boosting the revenue. Yeah, I'm on to you, Facebook, I'm on to you. But you gotta make your money somehow. Then on the other hand, I feel like I paid for this item. And them having the capability to basically render my headset completely useless, if they deem so fit, just really doesn't sit well with me. Especially if they decide to use some machine algorithm to do their bidding as to whether or not users are following community guidelines, people could get banned and locked out of their devices permanently, even if they didn't do anything wrong. Does that sound familiar to anyone? I believe there's a fundamental issue with using these AI algorithms, as there's a fallacy and leaves room for errors such as these. So I'm definitely not in agreement with so many companies deciding to use these type of tactics. A past developer for Oculus issued a reward for $5,000 if someone could figure out how to hack the Oculus Quest 2. This individual decided that they were no longer going to work for Oculus on any other projects after the decision to make Facebook accounts required for using their device. This was a response to Facebook deciding to go back on their promise in their press release to never require us to have a Facebook account tied to our Oculus platforms. Something had to be done. Well, it looks like someone has answered the call and found out how to bypass the system, and because of this, it looks like we may just be able to get out from under Big Boy Blue and use our devices however we see fit. It's not completely clear as to how you go about this process just yet, but I want you guys to know I will be trying this method out and sharing it with you all as long as it doesn't violate any community guidelines on YouTube. I'm not trying to catch a case either, so I might take that back. We'll just see. Maybe I'll point you guys in the direction of the information. I don't know. We'll get to that. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think about this. Are you guys planning to jailbreak your Oculus Quest? Will this make you decide to actually get one? Let me know. That's going to do it for the video. Now, if you do have any other questions, please do not hesitate to ask. I do not mind helping. I promise. Guys, I'm really trying to build something for you here, and I hope that you guys want to be a part of it. So a simple like or share or comment or subscribe does so much for the channel in helping me continue to stay on the platform and grow and just hopefully be able to make some great stuff for you guys. And I hope you all want to be a part of it. Now, if you do want to dislike the video, that's fine. I just ask that if you do, that you would let me know what you felt like I could have done better or why you didn't like it. I don't mind the criticism. I'm trying to do better, so I don't mind it, I promise. Just let me know. That's all I ask. I hope you can like, I hope you can subscribe. And if not, well, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe, a tech vibe, specifically. We'll see you.